Hi! Now for this tip, you're going to learn more about interjections or exclamations, ones that you might see when you're reading, especially some like gossip magazines, articles online, newspapers, etc. Okay, and these exclamations are, of course, to finish sentences instead of using words themselves. And the first one that you might hear is yay or hooray! And this, of course, is to show that something is great or fantastic. You might say, tomorrow's my birthday! I'm taking the day off! Yay! Woohoo! Okay? Then, if something is kind of indifferent or boring, or you don't really care about it, you might say, meh. So you went to the cinema last night and you saw a movie, and then the following day you're having a conversation with your friend. He says, hey man, how was the movie last night? And you go, meh. Kind of no real feeling about it. It was bland. Then, of course, if something you think is going to happen, something terrible, and then it doesn't happen, how do you feel? You feel relieved, and you might go, phew! Okay, so you drop your phone, your brand new iPhone, on the ground, and you're like, oh no, it's definitely broken. You pick it up and it's not, you go, ah, phew. And the last one is one of my favorites. It's duh. Okay, and duh means, of course, that something is extremely obvious and there's no point even asking it, so don't be stupid enough to ask it. So you've recently had a really difficult breakup and somebody goes to you, are you okay? And you go, well, I just broke up with the love of my life. Of course not, duh. So whether it's yay, hooray, meh, phew, or duh, you might have more words for another movie.